Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Look at Tupperware, guys, TUP. Bit of a deviation for me. This does not show up obviously on my race. Stocks moving higher. Bit of a difficult day for the volatile stocks I found based on what the market was doing. But top caught my eye. I had another scan that was just showing stocks on a 5-day breakdown. And look how beautiful this was. I mentioned in the room right about here, I think around that 1063 mark. And then, if you wanted to take it underneath 10, but what a fantastic move down for TUP. Very little upward action. One little green candle there, a little bit of one there. That got me out some of my trade, but I'm still in this one. And I think when we look on the daily chart, about 818 is the next low looking left. And that is what got me excited about this because from 10 to 818 was a straight shot down. And look how beautiful it was. All right, guys, want to get back into the room? I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.